Today we are going to learn how to crochet this little bunny, composed of body, tail, and ears. I will use the blue line to demonstrate to everyone. Magic ring. Sure, let us crochet the body part first. Locking needle technique. 1 rounds. Sure, first crochet 6 short needle. After hooking the first short needle, hang the marker back. Okay, let's go ahead and hook the second stitch. Four, 5, 6. There are a total of 6 stitches in your 1 round. Shrink coil. Make a lead-out needle at the stitch marker position. Like me. Lead-out needle. Standing needle. The second round consists of 6 additional needles. It means there are 2 short needles in each stitch. Crochet a short needle at the previous stitch marker position. Crochet another single short needle. This is an additional needle. Continue to repeat. We have 12 stitches after completing this lap. Everyone, remember to count it. Now start the third round. Find the first stitch position and do a lead-out needle. This is the lead-out needle. If you missed it, you can rewind and watch it again. Continue crocheting the next standing needle, combination of 1 short needle and 1 additional needle. Repeat 6 times. Hook the first stitch at the lead-out needle position. Short needle. Additional needle. 1 sitting hook and 2 short needles are additional needles. 1 set is completed. Continue to repeat. Repeated process skipped. There are a total of 18 stitches in the third round. Fourth round. Find the stitch marker and perform a lead-out needle. At the end of each round, it must be lead-out needle connected to the first stitch. 1 short needle, 1 additional needle, and 1 short needle form a group. Hang the marker back. Additional needle. Short needle. This group is complete. I'll demonstrate it again. Short needle. Additional needle. Short needle. Repeat 6 times in total. The end of this round is 24 stitches. Start the 5th round. Lead-out needle. The combination of the 5th round is 3 short needles and 1 additional needle. First short needle. Second short needle. After the third short needle, there is an additional needle. One short needle. Two short needle. Three short needle. Additional needle. Repeat process. Skip. 30 stitches completed in the 5th round. Now start the 6th round. The order of 2 short needles, 1 additional needle, and 2 short needles is a set. We are now hooking the first short needle. Hook the second short needle. Next is the addition needles. 2 short needles. Another group. 1 short needle. 2 short needle. Additional needle. Two short needles. Repeat 4 more sets. There are 36 stitches in the 6th round. The next 7th to 10th rounds are all short stitches. Still the same, the first lead-out needle connection. Every stitch is a short needle. Everyone complete it themselves. This is the appearance of completing 4 rounds. 36 stitches per round. Start the 11th round. Start reduce needle to reduce the circle size. Take a closer look, everyone. The first stitch is lead-out needle. 2 short needles, 1 reduced needle, 2 short needles. First short needle. Also have marker buckle on the first stitch of each lap. Second short needle. Next, hide the reduced needle. Take a closer look, everyone. There are 2 strands of yarn. Upper line. There is a yarn below. We hook the yarn below. The next stitch also hooks the yarn under it. Next, hook it out like a short needle. Hide the needle reduction and it's done. Hook 2 more short needles. Next group. I'll demonstrate it again. 2 short needle. The difficulty is reducing needles. Reduce needle. Look carefully. Two more short needle. 1, 2. Repeat those sets in total. 30 stitches completed in the 11th round. Start the 12th round. 3 short needle, 1 reduced needle into a group. The first short needle in each round should be marked with a buckle. Second short needle. Third short needle. Show me the reduced needle again. Three short needle. Reduce needle. Repeat 6 groups. There are a total of 24 stitches in this circle. Start the 13th round. 1 short needle, 1 reduced needle, and 1 short needle form a group. If you have mastered the reduced needle technique, so it will become very simple. Completed a set group. Short needle. Reduce needle. Short needle. There are 6 groups in total. 18 stitches in total. Reduce needle to make the hole smaller and small. Starting from the 14th round, 1 short needle and 1 reduced needle form a group. Hand marker buckle after the first short needle. Reduce needle. Short needle. Reduce needle. Repeat 6 groups. There are 12 stitches in this round. Remove the crochet. Start filling cotton. Fill cotton appropriately. Just like this. Last round. There are 6 needle reductions in this round. Completed 6 reduced needle. Lead out needle technique and seal at the first stitch position. Cut wool. Take out the suture needle. Shrink the opening. The same method as hiding reduced needle. Hook out a half circle. Tighten after stitching. Like this. Find a location in the middle to hide the stitching yarn. like this. Randomly find a location like this. This kind of thread is too tight. Pick it up with a needle. OK. The body part is complete. Now crochet the ears. Watch me demonstrate. Ears use braided needle technique. Magic ring. Pinch here, like this. This has a fixed effect. Now open the hook and add braided needle. Watch me demonstrate. This completes a braided needle. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 completed. This is the last braided needle position. We start from the penultimate and thread through the half braided needle. Then make a lead-out needle. Then hang a marker back at this position. Then hook 2 short needles. At the position of the half braid needle, everyone needs to find the exact location. Short needle. Next short needle. Next are 2 intermediate length needle. Watch me demonstrate. Crocheting yarn around the hook. Thread out and hook out. There are 3 coils on the crochet needle. Crocheting yarn around the hook out. Pull through or do it again. Intermediate length needle. Crocheting yarn around the hook. Pull through or next, hook long needle. Crocheting yarn around the hook. Passing. Crocheting yarn around the hook. There are 3 loops of yarn. Hook out the 2 coils first. Yarn over and pull through. Just 1 more stitch to go. Hook 3 long needles in the same position. Crocheting yarn around the hook. Don't forget to wrap the yarn around the crochet hook. Pass through the first 2 coils. Next 2, repeat 2 more times. These 3 needles are all in the same place. Watch me demonstrate. Take a closer look at the next step. The other side of the hook braid needle. Long needle. Intermediate length needle. Second intermediate length needle. 2 short needles. Connect the lead-out needle at the marked buckle position. Lead-out needle. Cut wool. One rabbit ear is complete. Hide the thread with a sewing needle. Just keep it aesthetically pleasing. Like this. The same method applies to the other ear. Now start hooking the rabbit's tail. Same starting steps. Magic ring. Hook 6 short needles. After completion, connect with the first needle by lead-out needle. One short needle and one additional needle form a group. Repeat 3 sets. First stitch short needle. Second additional needle. There are 9 stitches completed in the second round. Start the third round. Hook 9 short needles. Start crochet the fourth round. One short needle and one reduced needle form a group. Lead-out needle. Cut wool. Hide the thread with a sewing needle. Like this. Start assembly. Find the trace of the lead-out needle. This line serves as the back, and then between the third and fourth round. We stick the rabbit's ears on. Stick with hot melt adhesive, like this. Find a symmetrical position on the other side and paste it. Or have better ideas, everyone DIY on their own. The tail is in the middle of lead-out needle wire. I am connected here. Almost done. Next, stitch the eyes. Eyes on the 6th round. Mouth in the 8th round. This place is where everyone can use their imagination DIY. Under the ear. Hide the thread with a sewing needle. If it is not suitable, it can still be removed and sewn again. This is what I completed. Very cute and simple. You can send the completed work to the comment section. Compare whose works are more cute and creative.